Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening shortcuts and confirming Face ID or a passcode is active. This lets you gate access. Once done, pick the app name precisely because the shortcut will target it. Next, create a shortcut that launches an alternate placeholder or opens nothing, using a custom icon image so the hidden app is masked on your home screen. Make sure your home screen layout is editable. You will replace the original icon with the shortcut tile shortly. Now you construct the shortcut. Add an authentication action like require Face ID or ask for input with a password, so unauthorized taps are blocked. After authentication, use Open App to open the real app or choose to run a block that stops if authentication fails. This ensures control flow. Once the logic is solid, set the shortcut's custom icon and add it to the home screen with the app's name you want to hide, so it visually replaces the original. Finally, remove the visible original icon by moving it to the app library or into a deep folder. This leaves only your locked shortcut tile accessible on the home screen. Test the flow multiple times. Enter correct and incorrect credentials to verify the lock and app launch behavior. If something goes wrong, shortcuts fail to open the app or authentication won't trigger. Make sure Shortcuts has permission to open apps, restart your device, or reinstall Shortcuts as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.